Do you find yourself tossing and turning, longing for a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with sleep issues, and the quest for a peaceful slumber can be frustrating. But before you reach for over-the-counter sleep aids, consider a natural approach: herbal teas. For centuries, cultures around the world have harnessed the power of plants to promote relaxation and sleep. Herbal teas offer a gentle and effective way to unwind before bed and enhance sleep quality. These natural remedies are packed with compounds that can soothe the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and prepare your body for rest. Unlike some sleep medications, herbal teas are generally non-habit-forming and do not leave you feeling groggy in the morning. In this exploration of sleep-enhancing herbal teas, we'll delve into 3 powerhouse herbs: chamomile, lavender, and valerian root. We'll uncover their unique properties, simple brewing methods, and how to blend them for a personalized sleep-enhancing experience. So, put down the sleeping pills, grab your favorite mug, and let's embark on a journey towards a more restful night's sleep. One delicious cup of herbal tea at a time. Chamomile, with its delicate daisy-like flowers, is a beloved herb known for its calming and sleep-promoting properties. This gentle giant of the herbal world boasts a rich history, having been used for centuries to ease anxiety, promote relaxation, and encourage sound sleep. The secret to chamomile's soothing effects lies in its unique chemical makeup. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in the brain that promote relaxation and sleep. Studies have shown that chamomile tea can significantly improve sleep quality, reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and minimizing nighttime awakenings. Brewing chamomile tea is simple: steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and sweeten with honey if desired. For a more intense flavor, try using 2 tea bags. Lavender, with its vibrant purple blooms and intoxicating aroma, is a sensory delight that offers more than just aesthetic pleasure. This versatile herb has long been recognized for its calming and sleep-enhancing effects, making it a popular choice for those seeking a peaceful night's rest. The soothing aroma of lavender is no accident. Its essential oil contains linalool, a compound known for its relaxing properties. Inhaling lavender's scent can help reduce anxiety, slow heart rate, and promote a sense of calm, paving the way for a restful sleep. Beyond aromatherapy, lavender tea offers similar sleep-enhancing benefits. To brew lavender tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lavender buds in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea before drinking. Lavender tea has a slightly floral and sweet flavor that many find enjoyable. Valerian root, while not as visually appealing as chamomile or lavender, holds a powerful secret: it's nature's tranquilizer. This herb has a long history of use as a sleep aid and anxiety reliever, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. Valerian root contains compounds that interact with the brain's GABA receptors. GABA is a neurotransmitter that inhibits nerve impulses, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Studies have shown that valerian root can significantly improve sleep quality, reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and improving sleep duration. To brew valerian root tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried valerian root in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea before drinking. Valerian root has a strong, earthy aroma and flavor that some find unpleasant. While each of these herbs offers unique sleep-enhancing benefits on its own, combining them can create a synergistic effect, amplifying their calming and sleep-promoting properties. Experimenting with different blends allows you to personalize your tea experience and discover combinations that best suit your needs. For a gentle and soothing blend, combine chamomile and lavender. The floral sweetness of chamomile harmonizes beautifully with lavender's relaxing aroma, creating a calming and sleep-inducing tea. This blend is ideal for those seeking to reduce anxiety and ease into a peaceful sleep. For a more potent sleep-enhancing blend, combine valerian root with chamomile or lavender. Valerian's powerful calming effects are complemented by the gentle relaxation of chamomile or lavender, creating a tea that can effectively combat insomnia and promote deep sleep. To maximize the sleep-enhancing benefits of herbal teas, consider these tips. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine that includes a cup of your chosen tea. Dim the lights, put away electronic devices, and engage in calming activities like reading or taking a warm bath. Brew your tea with high-quality, organic herbs to ensure optimal flavor and potency. Store dried herbs in airtight containers in a cool, dark place to preserve their freshness. Experiment with different brewing times and herb combinations to find what works best for you. Listen to your body and adjust the strength of your tea accordingly. Start with a weaker brew and gradually increase the amount of herbs or steeping time as needed. Be patient and consistent with your herbal tea routine. It may take several days or even weeks to experience the full sleep-enhancing benefits.